In this video, I'm going to explain how stock counts can work on Zoho Inventory or books. So you can go to your inventory and go to stock counts, and you can go to new. So you can enter in your stock count. So this gives you a specific number that you're referring to. So the description could be month end, for instance. So location, what location do you want the stock take to happen? So what's the warehouse? And assign to the user that you want to be able to do the stock take. So what you can do here is you can schedule the count. So you say, actually, I want it to be every month, or I want it to be every quarter or every year, so that they know, the user knows that this has to be done. So we hit here. Next. So it says add the items that you want to be able to stock take. So I'm just going to add a couple of items down the bottom here. I'm going to hit add items. So these are the items that I'd like Layla to count. So I'm going to hit save. So I immediately got a yet to start piece. Now what will happen is Layla will receive a notification on her phone, and it will tell her that she needs to do a stock count. So she basically has to log into the app on her phone. She can either scan a barcode or she can enter the details in, and she can tell how many we've got. So let Layla do that for now. So Layla has now submitted her details. So we give a little refresh. So now this is pending approval. So we can see here that item 5, there was 52, but there was negative 52. However, Layla's been able to count 4. So it's like, are we able to amend these? Are we able to say that they need to be able to go through? So we can start approving here. So actually, I really trust her. I'm going to say approve these. Item 6, there was -1 in stock. There's now 4, so there's a difference of 5. So again, we can approve. And then this one here, item 7, we know that there's no serial numbers that have been adjusted here. So we need to look at the serial numbers to see what needs to happen. So that one there, I'm going to reject. So we can see here that when we look at the item adjustments, we can see that the balance has been moved from stock into the cost of goods sold account. So the actual movement is taking place. There's no additional work that's involved. We're just going off of what Layla has said. And then there's a clear record of what's happened and why it's happened, with a percentage accuracy as well. I think it's a really great way of just monitoring stock movements.